So what's up YouTube and welcome back. I hope all are doing well and let's start this video. Okay, so in this video I'm teaching you about how to use a tail command. As I said in the head command, the head part will be the top of the human being and the tail will be the what back of the human being. That means it's like up and down. Head will be the up and the tail will be the last. Okay. Uh, let's say there is a file called exit.txt. Then you need to print that file. What it does is that it will print the last 5 or 10 lines from the last. Okay, it will print from the last. Okay, fine. Let's say that you need to print the last file, only 5 lines. You can use tail -n then 5 and exit.txt. Okay, it will print the last 5 lines from last. So because don't think that there is only 4 lines, because one line will be what you call empty line, like that. Okay, let's go for next. That will be using -c. That it specifies that let's say that you need to print a content in a file that contain these many bytes. Let's say 50 bytes, 50 bytes exit.txt. So what it does, it will print the content of exit.txt, like it will combine everything and it will count how many bytes are there. Right? If I press enter, then it will print this. If you see this, everything, if you calculate the size of this, it will be basically 50 bytes. You can also specify 100 bytes. It is not that only 50 bytes. If you specify 100 bytes, it will print all the 100 bytes from the last. Because it is tail, it will print from the last, not from the first. Okay, that is what the difference between tail command and head command. Okay, so the next this thing will be using, let me clear the screen, tail -n and +5. So like let's say that you need to print a specific line. Okay, no, not the whole thing, specific line. Then you can oh sorry, it is tail, not tile. Okay, so it will print the 5th line, but I'm seeing the same fault in what do you call in head command also. If I use +5, it is printing the whole content. I'm not sure that what is the what glitch or mistake in this, I guess. Okay, next we'll go for next argument. That will be -f, tail -f. So what is this -f? So it's basically see, there is a file. Okay, there is some content. You are printing the last content. Okay, that will be written like 3 minutes back, but you need something that will print the live modification of that file. Let's say that you are adding some more content into a file, but it should display in the terminal that what in all the content which you added in the particular file. So for this we can't use this terminal. We need to use what terminator. Sorry, terminator. So it is also same kind of what do you call? It is also same kind of what terminal, but which will allow you to use in what it will. You can split it and you can use it however you want. Okay. So now what I do, I'll list it, and what I do, I will do tail -f. Then I will list it. List the exit 2.txt. Okay, so now in this terminal I'll go inside nano exit, or I'll go inside exit.txt, exit 2.txt with using nano, and I'll come back. In the last I'll add some more. This is the last line. Okay, now what I do, I'll save it. See, it will automatically display what is the line which has been added in the last. Like it will just update. if there is any new line which has been added to a particular file. Okay, so where does this particular -f argument is used? So like it is like easy, like it's used in logs. Okay, whenever the logs are created, it will be in the last, so you use tail to print the last content. Okay, so that is where you use -f. Okay, let's close this terminator. Okay, let's come back to our terminator. So terminal, not terminator. Okay, let's say that you have multiple files, then you need to print multiple files. That's also okay, it will print the multiple files as well. See, as ed command will print the multiple files, it will also print the multiple files from backside, not from the backside, from the downs. So as ed command will print from the up, then tail command will print from the downside. Okay, so you can also use tail help to get help. Like if you don't know how to use the tail command, you can also use it, or you can use version. It will display the version and the people who wrote the code for this particular tail command. Okay, so that is all up guys, and thank you for watching, and bye.